Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and thanks for viewing this video. Today we will talk about the Java LastIndexOf method, which is a method you can use to find out the index position of the last occurrence of a substring or a character in a given string. What happens when this method is executed is that it starts to search for the occurrence of the substring or character from the end of the string and then proceeds from there on. Just like the indexOf method, there are two variations of this method in the string class. And I'm going to show you these two variations using some examples. In the first example, I will show you how to return the index position of the last occurrence of a character or a substring in a given string. So let me start by declaring a string variable that I will call str, and I will give it the value of I love programming. And since the method returns an integer value, I will declare an integer variable to store the value returned whenever the method is called and executed. So the first integer variable I will declare will be, I'll call it returned value. And then I will need to call my method. So I will say str.LastIndexOf. So LastIndexOf is the name of my method, and in here I need to write the character that I'm going to be searching. So I will search for the last occurrence of character O. In the second integer variable I will declare, I will call this variable return value 2, and I will call my method, say str.LastIndexOf, and in here I'm going to write a substring. So I will just say that the substring that I will be searching will be G, like this. So next, all I need to do is to do a system.out.println and output the various values that will be returned when this program will run. So the first value I will return will be returned value. Okay, this integer value. This is going to return an integer value, okay, representing the index position of the last occurrence of my character O in the string str. The second system.out.println will return the value stored in my integer variable returned value, returned value 2. So that's it. If I run this program, as you can see, I get 9 and 17. Okay, 9 means that the last occurrence of the character O is positioned at the index 9. As you can see in the str string here, the last occurrence of the character O is here. And as you can also see, the last occurrence of the substring G is positioned at index 17. So we have two occurrences of the substring G, and the last occurrence is right here. So this is how you can return the index position of the last occurrence of a character or a substring in a given string. So now in the second example, I will show you how to return the index of the last occurrence of a substring or a character in a given string while specifying an index position. So what the method is going to do is that the method will start searching for the given string backwards, starting from the specified index position. So all I need to change in this code will be here I will add the index position from where the method is going to start the search. So here I will say 10, and down here I will add another parameter representing the index position from where the method will start the search. And here I will just say 4 like this. So if I run, I'm getting the value 9 and -1. So why am I getting 9 is because of the parameters that we have specified here. So as we said, this 10 represents the index position from where the method is going to start searching for the last occurrence of the character O. And that search is going to be done backwards. So here, if we count the index positions, now here we have index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So G here is index position 10. So what the method is going to do is that from G here, it's going to start searching for the last occurrence of the character O. Okay, so which is going to be this character right here. So that's why it's returning 9 down here. You will see that if we say that the method will start searching from the index position, let's say 7, for example, this 9 value will change. So now we are getting 3. Why are we getting 3? Because the index position 7 is right here. So that means that the last occurrence is this character O, the first character O, the character O in the substring love here. So that's why it's returning 3. If we say that we want to start the search from index position 2, we are going to get -1. Why are we getting -1? Because if we start the search from index position 2 here, we won't see any occurrence of the character O, if we start the search backwards, okay, from index position 2. So concerning the second statement, down here we are getting -1 is because, as you know, we get -1 because the substring is not found based on the parameters that we have passed. So for the second statement here, we've said that we're going to start the search from index position 4. So index position 4 is going to be right here. And if we search from there and move on backwards, we won't find any occurrence of the substring G. But if we say that we want to start the search from index position 14, as an example, and run this, you will see that we will get the value returned in our console, and we get 10 here. So 14, that means that we are starting to search from M here. And if we move on backwards, so now here we have the occurrence of a substring G. So that's why it's returning its index position. Okay. So guys, that's actually how to use the LastIndexOf method. And I hope this video was informative. And please don't forget to like this video, to comment if you have any question concerning the video. Feel free to comment and also to subscribe to this channel. Let's meet in the next video, and thanks for viewing. Bye.